Welcome back. This is Will Middleton from LifterLMS, and in this video, we're going to dive into the reorder items question type from LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. So in this question type, students will drag the items into the correct order, and as you can see here, instead of A, B, C, we have 1, 2, 3, and so on here. And what I'll do is maybe say we'll do some numbers here, so maybe 1, 4, 5, and 8. So this is the correct order, and what will happen is when the student opens this question, they'll be put in a random order, and the student will need to drag them back into this order here. We do have the regular options here, the description, image, video, results, clarification, and I can type the question here. Put these in the correct order. And that's all we need here. So let's jump to the front end. Let's make sure this saves. And what we'll want to do, save changes there, and hop into the front end and check out what this looks like. Take quiz, start quiz. All right, there we go. So we can see it happened to show up mostly in the correct order, but we can drag and drop these around here to switch up the order. And there we go. So 2, 4, 5, and 8. Now we can click complete quiz, and there we go. I believe is there also a reorder pictures question type. We'll jump into this one here as well. So the reorder pictures is very similar to reorder items, just instead of the the box here to type in, we have the image options. So it's very similar to how multiple choice and picture choice are very close to the same. It's just the difference of a text box and an image. So yeah, that's it for the reorder items question types in LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.